Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great. Hope you're having a great weekend so far. Welcome to your daily update on Bitcoin. We have some important things to talk about. Just in general, what you see right now to talk about the market circumstances, and obviously that has to do with it being the weekend. But the volume for Bitcoin right now is down 50% over the last 24 hours. All right. So first of all, I mean, in the weekend, that's relatively normal. But that brings us right now to a volume of $13 billion in the last 24 hours. And a volume like that, we haven't seen in a very, very, very long time. All right. If you go back in time, I think the 24th of February, we came pretty close to that. But apart from that, you have to think about like the 20th of January. So that was like 10 days after the spot Bitcoin ETF. So in general, that's not an amazing sign. Back then, it was a little bit of a bottom signal. We dropped down a bit lower, but then we started rallying. And obviously, that's a possibility. But right now, especially with the summer coming and the lack of bullish fundamental events, it's not the most bullish indication. All right, you want volume. If you have volume, even when you're bearish, that means that we can rebound. Right now, with this low volume and it being the summer, you know, we can turn a little bit more bullish, but it feels a little bit more bearish than back in January. And apart from that, the most prominent issue or the most prominent thing you need to know is that right now, when the volume is very, very low, we'll get volatility. All right, because what's about to happen in the next 24 hours is that new capital is about to hit the markets, new trades opened, etc. So what you see very, very often is just some very quick volatility. Right now, I would say that Bitcoin is bearish after getting those bearish breakouts. And just in general, the confirmations we got last Friday, I would say, especially also if you zoom out, I would say it's most likely that we will drop back below 60,000 to start dropping down towards 58 and 57,000 again. Now, is it possible that we turn bullish from here? Yes, but there's no indication of that right now. Right, momentum is dropping down, spot is being sold off, there's no volume, like I said, and purely technically, sure, we still have this level here at the 0.618 fib, and that could turn into something bullish like this. But I will tell you that as soon as there's any indication that that will happen, because at this moment, there's nothing, all right? So yeah, right now, most likely, if you just look at the technical structure, is more bearish confirmation. However, if you look at, for example, the liquidation or the liquidity heat map, what you can see is that there are a lot of liquidation levels at like 61,600 and 60,300. So what you should expect is for the price to kind of bounce around here, in a very volatile way. In the next I would say like 16 to 18 hours. So be careful for that. Overall, it's just going to be volatile until we get some more volume in the markets in the most likely direction. But like I said, I will keep you updated on that. Most likely direction is back down towards 58 and 57,000 until proven otherwise. And then apart from that, what I also think you should know, but I will keep you updated on this throughout the next week, is that next week we do have some bigger news again, because we have news regarding the inflation rate and the CPI from the US. Employment rate data has been relatively negative, which should be positive for the inflation rate. If we get some sort of a positive result from that, we could see bullish momentum return. However, like I said, at this moment, all the indications that we are getting are bearish. So we have to assume we're going to be bearish until we get something, some sort of a news event, some sort of a big move that proves otherwise. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, of course, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.